General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
About new citizenship. I thought I was finna say she was finna run for president. I was finna say Elon Musk say you want Trump. Okay, boom, boom. Yeah. Fortune, you gotta watch what they say, because they frame opinion post as news. It's weird. Shit. What? MSTR to survive the steep market drop. Stocks. Bitcoin hoarder strategy raises. Bitcoin started turning around today. Okay. That's interesting. I was looking at Bitcoin for a swing trade, but ooh, okay. I'll see. That is interesting. Very interesting. Put this. Yeah, we can put this on my alert watch list. MSTR. Undervalued. Okay, let's go back here. Tuesday. Today's a trade day. I believe tomorrow is the news. Yeah. ADP tomorrow, Wednesday. Today was expansion. Well, we came right to the valid buy area. Sat on it. This is actually perfect here. This 3 o'clock. London between 2 and 4, sweeping this week low. Expansion to fill that gap. So everything we planned. It's a medium just because it's a no news day. Take a look at this VIX. Ultraline. Yeah, 16 on the VIX. VIX is decent. All of this. Anchor point is not confirmed yet. Maybe it can be a Wednesday midweek reversal to take out Monday low with this news. But do we have reason to? These lows look good. We don't need them. We can go higher. We got weekly buy side liquidity here. It's like the target for tomorrow. Not yet. Maybe Wednesday. Well, it's not yet, and this could be a one-sided week. We already handle business under the new week opening gap. This is all line in the sand. This should hold, and it should be higher the rest of this week, especially with news. Since Monday took liquidity. It took 2 days of liquidity. Since Monday took liquidity. So that's a sign. I'll say, well, you can't really say it's confirmed. This kind of confirms it, sitting on top of it and using it, because this is the hot Monday here. I just don't trust it. You never know the middle of the week, Trump. Yes. Wednesday, big news day. This weekly profile could turn around. No. But we hit the draw on liquidity for the day, not determine this. I need to get a silent keyboard. My keyboard loud. London low of the day, pretty. This was ugly how we pushed up and then came back down. I tried to catch it up in here, got chopped up. London low of the day profile. New York chopped after we filled the delivery objective. Let's go to the hour. This is no more This is hit. See that move? Okay, that was perfect. This is what happened here? Okay, this was when we swept those lows. So I'll mark this as this is the order block. We never did come to retest it. It doesn't look like we're coming back either. Let me delete this because we filled that gap. The only thing interesting here is that weekly high. It's a high time frame level. It's a daily high. We swept this today. We'll come back for this tomorrow. This looks like a flat top. It's an almost flat top. That's a easy TP because we'll hit that fast. It's low resistance too. You can be in a buy waiting for previous week's high, and then it won't hit, but it'll hit that flat top. They'd like to play with you at your TP. No need to retrace. I will have time. Session liquidity. Intraday. Just liquidity. To find a buy. Our buy level is really here in between these two candles. So it can just start running. We really could chop until the news. So it's going to be a wait till after news day. So the idea is not invalidated no more. This is ugly. Closed here and opened here. Go make it gold. Because this is Friday to Monday. That's a new week opening gap. This new day opening gap is weird though. You didn't have to do that. Here it is here. Because it closed here and it opened here. Okay. And it looked like we came back to it. That's what ICT bought today. That's what he was showing in that screenshot. Notes and those. Hold up. Notes and those. Bam. ICT bought this new day opening gap. Tap today. I think he made like 20 bands. Hold on, he bought here. He wanted up here. Okay. He made 5,000 somewhere around here. But his final TP was probably that flat top. It was like $20,000. Let me trace out to find a buy. We can still come back to this gap though, because it's a daily level. Put that back here because that's where I found it. Here. And yeah, that'll work because it looks funny. Nothing really stopping us till we get to this daily fair value gap where we can sell from because you see this gap got this behind it. So it's kind of like VPR type immediate rebalance setup here. And we can target some of these inefficiencies. We left a bunch. This gap should be illegal. This gap here. It's just crazy. There was a here it is. It's way down here. I was going to say the American Liberation Day. It's pretty far. Look how fast the 200 got up here. So if we get a real good retracement, that American Liberation Day idea is over. We might just hit this. Hmm, thinking buys on the way up to the daily fair value gap. And we may sell from there to rebalance for a Christmas rally, which is what, not next week, but the week after that. So we got run up, run up. We might sell. Last year we sold Christmas. No, we sold this week, and we started running up. Price sucks around that time too. Look how beautiful this is, though. We planned this yesterday. It came with that open price. Almost took that high, but now we got like an inside day set up. This needs to sell sometime. That run up is out of control. What do we have here? Asia made the low. Typical silver in Asia. Help remove that. This is for my sell idea. We need that piece still to go through for us to sell this though, because it'll reprice with the Russia Ukraine thing. It might be an untradeable event, but if it's a 15-minute setup, it's a swing trade. range created the low. Okay. Inside day. So Monday, low could the trading range for the week. I still think we get a fast sale if the piece dip goes through. You don't never know because I don't know. It seems like Putin wants the peace, but the Ukraine dude don't. It's just weird. See. Yeah, inside day, Monday high low. We didn't even get above here for the sales. This is just weird. Is that this? Okay. No. Great S&T code. Looks like it's going intraday. What's going between 2 days? I only made that to look at S&T from 5 in the morning to 9:30. Inside day, efficiently trading range. Not interested. Unless we take the high and CSD. I like buys, but we need to drop. I don't like buying at the highs. On the daily. Yeah, we right next to 60. I wouldn't even say that's the target. I'll probably target this. I don't think we wasn't moving too strong to even say, like, oh, let's hit 60 tomorrow. We could sweep this. We could put a wick here, put a down candle here, and then go up. Because tomorrow is news. Projected. It's Monday high. Wait until after news. Yeah. For buys. I get in sales before news. Because I think the news could push us down. Here. Wow, it didn't do anything today. Consolidating before news. Very respectful too. Big news for the UK this week too. They strong name in the class too. Oh, nothing there. Price is holding for a plea appointment. Okay, so okay, this is New York. I'm sitting here like, why does the candles look like this? Like it actually did something, but it really didn't. New York is. We didn't get this engineer liquidity inside bar day here too. Finish below. And we hold it. This looks like a setup for A and B, and buys will be under Monday, Tuesday low. Yeah. Okay, Wednesday started already. Shout out to Forex. Monday. Monday is interesting here. Very large day. Quadrants. Hold up. hmm Boom. There it goes. Chopping in the middle. This is only going to be here. I like the buys, but I like the buys up under here. Even better up under here. This is an ugly chart. Main takeaway from this chart is we at EQ, so don't trade. Price at EQ. That's price. Buys would be the order block. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Was created 4 days ago. Wait until then. Or after news. Let's do this. Okay, this definitely a trade day. Notes. Yep. Freaking world. Okay, there you go. I learned about pattern narrative on myself. Today, really about keeping the steadiness of mental state, not being led by the P&L. Not long ago, P&L controlled the emotions. into that outcome. And if the outcome and I just focus on following my trade plan to the period. What I watch for tomorrow. How does P&L supposed to look? I could have swore that's how you do it. What I watch for tomorrow? News. That's gonna be a big deal. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.